Hey, it's Brandon coming to you from Mills GM here in Baxter, Minnesota. Today we're looking at a 2006 Chevy Silverado 2500 Duramax. It's the LLY motor in this. Let's check this out. Stock number 2G210184A. One owner, bought brand new, traded in on an order out Sierra. This has the LT3 interior package, so it's all loaded up with leather and everything. Super low miles. There's only 70,000 miles and change on this bad boy. Pretty much brand new tires. We haven't gotten in the shop yet, so you are seeing it on the raw. Basically wanted to display it because it's kind of a unique piece. Yes, there is rust on this. It's not a 100% perfect vehicle, but it is very nice for a 2006 here. Vehicle has not been smoked in. You've got Bose sound throughout. Power seats on both sides. Leather, as you can tell. Back seats have hardly been sat in. I mean, this thing is super clean. Again, we have not gone through the shop with this, has not been detailed. You are seeing it in the raw, so obviously you can tell it's been very clean. Yes, there is some rust. I don't know if you can kind of pan down the rockers somewhat there, Zach, but nothing's rusted through. It's not the typical 06. Truck was used for hauling, of course, but pretty much just for that. Does have the fifth wheel plate in there as well, with a connection here in the side of the box. Tow package otherwise as well for regular conventional towing. Again, super low miles for the year. 70-some thousand. Does have an aftermarket trailer brake controller built in as well, center console, and the heated seats built in, as well as memory seats. If you're looking for this body style truck, we've gotten, we've probably gotten about 30-some leads on this truck here, so I wanted to get a video out quick to you. Check this out. Give us a call, 218-829-3504, or visit us worldwide, millsgmcbaxter.com. Thanks for watching.